This tutorial is about the toolbox window. Open the PicooPic Studio editor. Click in the toolbar, the toolbox button, and the toolbox window appears. Here you get 3 sections. At the left, the paint unit. At the right, the combine unit and the texture unit. In the paint unit, you can paint pictures. Here are the tools: the pencil tool, the eraser, and the fill tool. Here are the colors. You can do undo. You can clear. I say no. And you can save your picture. So, at the right side, in the combine unit, you can open a picture. I open my picture and then combine. You see, you get a double picture. You can do undo. You can do combine the other side, and you can save it. And in the texture unit, you can click the texture button, and you see this picture is a good background. You can make a sky. If I adjust the sliders, you see the colors change. You can click as often you want. And if you think this picture is good, you can save it. That's about the toolbox window. Thanks for watching.